Cool. So for questions number 5 and 6, we have expressions that are slightly more complicated. Number 5, we have 3 times x squared to the third power. So we remember that when we have like x to the third power, what we're really saying is we have x multiplied by itself 3 times. So whatever is inside the parentheses raised to the third power. Same thing with this, except now we have more stuff inside the parentheses. We have 3 times x multiplied by itself 3 times. Okay? So 3x squared 3 times. Okay, so this stuff inside the parentheses, I just expanded the x squared to be x times x 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now we just have terms being multiplied together, and we have to simplify. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 x's being multiplied together. There we go, we're simplified. One trick that we learned in class is instead of expanding this expression, what you could do, I'll rewrite this over here, if you have 3x squared to the third power, a shortcut is to take this coefficient and raise it to the third power. So you have 3 to the third power, and then you take this exponent, so the exponent on the variable, and you're going to multiply it by the exponent outside the parentheses. So we have 3 raised to the third power times x, and then 2 times 3 is going to give us 6. So 3 to the third power, just like we saw over here, is 27. X to the 2 times 3 equals x to the 6th. Same answer. Number 6, we now have 2 variables. We have x and we have y. So let's first expand this. 2xy to the third. We have this 4 times. Okay, so I'm first just writing this out 4 times. The next step you could do is expand this further. So 2x, and then we have 3 y's within each parentheses. Y. You might want to fast forward me. This is boring. 2x, y. Cool. Now we have all of these terms being multiplied together. So the way we simplify the expression is by multiplying like terms. So my coefficients, or my numbers, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that's 2 to the 4th power. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8. Times 2 is 16. Okay, then I'm going to multiply my x's together, and I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 x's. So x times x times x times x, x to the 4th power. How many y's do I have? Oh, you guys are so smart. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 y's. Okay, now if I was lazy and I didn't want to expand all that, I could have done the shortcut, which is this. This is my original expression from up here. I'm going to go 2 to the 4th power, x to the 4th power. There's an imaginary 1 here, so I'm multiplying the exponent 1 times 4. And then y to the 3 times 4th power. And when you simplify that, you get 2 to the 4th is 16. 1 times 4 is 4. And then 3 times 4 is 12. Is that the same answer as over here? Yep. Good work.